What's up guys, CF here to tell you that this video is all about the Airsoft Halloween special. Hope you guys enjoy it. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and please dress up for Halloween this year because it's a dope Halloween already for me. Alright, hope to see you on the field.
Hit! That man walking! That man walking! Hit! Hey, hit! They're puppy guarding. Ben, let's go. Come at me. Let's go, team. Look out. Go, 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 go! Run back! Down the right side! Hey, you got in the helmet, bro.
Is that you, Connor?
Yeah. Well, I got you in the helmet, so that's revenge. So here you go.
We're all good.
Let's go, Brock. Don't be afraid. Good job, man. We gotta rush.
Go, 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 go.
I'm out of ammo. Give me a second, cover me. Here's me. Good shot. Hit. Teammate, teammate. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man walking. Hit. You good. You got me in the finger. Worst shot ever, but it's okay. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Left side. Sebastian's on the left side, so let's get on the right side. I'll call it 2. Don't be afraid to get hit. Hey, keep going, I got you. Keep going, don't be afraid. Jared! Teammate, bands!
Gosh dang it, you hit a teammate?
No, I'm on bands. I'm on bands! Teammate! I eliminated your whole team. I eliminated their whole team. Bad left side. Come here, Jared!
Those are cool,
Thank you. Move up. Don't be afraid, don't be afraid. I'll worry about Sebastian. Oh, nice shot. You got me in the... You got me. He got me right here. Woo. Dead man walking. No full auto, remember that. You good, Ben? Reloading. I'll make it easy. Move up, bands. Let's go. It's a pizza pie. Pizza pie. Surprise! Oh shit! Dead man. Yeah, you did. It's all good. He's mine. I'm in my happy place. Let's go, Bishop. How's that left side, Ben? How's the left side? Do you have a wipe now?
They're coming in. Very heavy.
Oh, sorry, they're coming in a heavy rush. He said it that way.
Left side?
Yeah, left side. I see him. Left side. Don't be scared. Good job, McKay. I saw you run by. Dead man walking.
See up here to give a big shout out to all my young men because it was a blast playing with you guys, and I hope to do it again with you guys, and I hope to see you on the field.